Hi guys, this is a video on how to replace pollen or cabin filter on Seat Leon Mk3. So this is a service kit for VW Golf Mk7, Seat Leon Mk3, Skoda Octavia 4, Audia A3 2.0 liter diesel. So from this service kit we will use a pollen filter, if you want to see the other tutorials on how to replace air filter, oil filter or fuel filter, you can find them in the video description. So first you have to open the glove box and press on those side clips for the door can be fully opened. Those clips are on the right and on the left side of the glove box. There you can see the left one and also the one on the right side. Then you have to remove the plastic part around the CD drive. You just have to take it from the clips, take it out from the clips. The next step is to remove the top of the filter housing using a trim tool or a flat blade screwdriver. Push the clips from the lower side down, which will allow the door to drop forward. So you can use a flat blade screwdriver to open the filter housing. So this is the pollen filter housing. So you have to press on those clips and then pull the plastic part out. There are three clips. So it's very easy to take it out. So this is the plastic part, which you have to remove it. See, you have those three clips. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel also. So then you have to pull the pollen filter out. And replace it with a new one. You have to see the airflow direction arrow, so you can put the new one in. Put the filter housing back. And then put a plastic trim back on the CD unit. Then you have to lift the glove box back in the original position. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.